Hey guys, Carlos here from Angler's Lifestyle. Here at Sandy Wolf fishing for these planted trout. It's about, would you say about a week or so? Coming up to 2 weeks now since they were last planted. And these are pretty good sized trout. Usually the trouts that are planted on the beginning of the season are larger. So because they're hardier, they can deal with the changes in the temperature and all that. Anyway, so let me show you that first catch that I had this morning using a mice tail. Stay tuned. Mice tail. Mice tail.
Is that some form of power bait or something?
It's like these guys
Oh.
with the head.
You add a scent to it?
Huh?
You add a scent to it?
Yeah, out of the package there's scent, but yeah, I do add. Yep, they're actually pretty good size.
It's like we're over here, so the longest time we haven't caught anything.
Shorten your leader.
Short?
Shorten it. Look at how short my leader is.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna do that right now actually.
Yeah, shorten it.
Yeah, I'm gonna short my leader right now.
Cool.
What'd you use for bait?
Mice tails.
Mice tail.
Yep.
Oh wow.
So when you're fishing with two rods, it's best that you have different baits and you essentially cast them on different location each time. So that catch that I had was on a mice tail like this. Okay, and the way I hook the mice tail is I come from behind and then I take the shaft, okay, and the hook this way. Okay, so this way when the fish comes and takes the head, okay, essentially the hook is already this way and the mouth catches on. Most of the time the fish swallows this mice tail anyway, and I don't even see, sometimes it's just the tail that I see outside the mouth like that. But I was getting ready to make this video and I saw my bobber go up, but it wasn't really all that strong. It wasn't a rapid rise. So I'm like, what's going on? And then I saw a fish jump out there. So I was saying, I wonder if they're being chased with cormorant. So let me show you what happened. Oh. Oh, it came off. So needless to say, that fish was definitely being chased by cormorants. And I tried to bring it in as fast as I can. And I don't think that fish had my bait in its mouth completely. I think it was just the tail. So I had also just recently changed the mice tail to a pink body with white head. So wasn't quite sure whether they're going to take that. So obviously they did. Again, I lost that fish. It happens. So anyway, I'm going to continue fishing and hopefully we'll catch one. Stay tuned. One more thing that I would like to recommend to you guys is when you're fishing and these trouts are being finicky, it's best to keep on changing them in intervals fairly frequent. And what happens is when you change, especially let's say you're dealing with power bait, right? Power bait will dissolve, you know, every 10-15 minutes probably, and so I never leave my bait out there that long. So what happens, it gives you an opportunity to change your bait and recast to a different location. So we'll see if I did change to power bait just for a few minutes, but it seems to be my cell is what they want to play with, at least still. So stay tuned. Hopefully we'll catch another fish. By the way, I just want to do a shout out to Hamza. Apparently he is this 7-year-old boy that has been following and watching our videos. So dude, go get your rod and reel and come fish with me sometime, okay? What? It's stuck. Yeah, I don't know. Come here. Pull it. Pull it in. Pull it in.
Okay.
Have him take it.
Oh. Okay, just a moment. Wait.
No. Oh.
Oh, I'll take you too.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Okay, thank you. Thank you very much.
You want to take the fish?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, thank you.
You take it.
It's okay.
Huh? Yeah, you take it for him.
No problem. Thank you very much.
Wait, let me get the hooker. He was stuck in a.
Just throw. Just throw. I saw it.
Right?
What a luck.
I know, right?
I wish you luck and you got it.
I know.
Good for Hamza, he saw it.
very kind of you that you.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Let me get a picture of him real quick with the fish. Come here. Come here. Over here. Come on this side. Oops. What happened here? Hold that. Can you hold that? What happened here? Oh, there we go. Okay, hold that. Hold on. No, no. Hold it up. Hold it up. Like that. Okay, hold that. Oops, sorry. Can you use my phone?
Kiss the fish.
Yeah, hold it like this. Hold it like that.
Very good.
Okay. Let me disconnect it for you, okay?
Yeah. Wife and kid.
Hold that.
You didn't kiss the fish. You have to kiss the fish.
Say thank you.
That's yours.
You giving me chance.
You're welcome. Well, guys, looks like our time has expired here, and the bite has been really slow. But the basic takeaway here is, first of all, you ain't fishing if your bait is not in the water. Second is try and figure out your water line. If the water line is low, go with a shorter leader. Of course, you will also figure it out after you pull it up a couple of times. There'll be some weeds and all that. But generally, you look at the slope behind you, and that's generally where it's going to be as far as the water line goes. But again, if I've been fishing Sandy Wolf for quite some time now, I know when the water line is low. So, doesn't look like we're going to catch anymore. But if I do catch something else, I will include it. Okay? All right. Well, thank you for watching the video. And as always, come fish with us sometime. See ya.